students, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita teacher. Students, today we are going to start new chapter multiplication. Okay, lesson number 5. What is meant by multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. Best example of multiplication is your tables. You are feeling too bored to learn the tables, but tables are needed. It is basic of maths. So you must have to learn the tables. See how tables is the example of multiplication. See here. Suppose which table shall we take? Okay, 5's table. Easy I am taking. 5 times table. It is the full name. We say just 5's table, but it is wrong. Table of 5, it is wrong. 5 times table, it is the correct way of saying. 5 ones are 5. So one time I have taken 5. That means 5 ones are 5. See, 5 plus 5. I have repeated 5. It is called as repeated addition. In addition, both numbers are same. It is called as repeated addition. Suppose 5 plus 3. Is it repeated addition? No. Both numbers are different. Here 5, here 3. So it is not repeated addition. But this is repeated addition. 5. Again I have added 5. How many times I have added 5? 1, 2. So 2 times. Times word we are saying, that means multiplication. 1, 2 times I have added 5. That means repeated addition means multiplication. And this is the symbol which is used to show multiplication. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now 3. 3 times we will see. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times I have added. So 5 multiplied by how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times I have added 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. That means 5 3s are 15. In this way, tables are constructed. So tables are the best example of multiplication. And multiplication means repeated addition. Did you understand? And which symbol we use to show multiplication? Cross. This symbol is used to show multiplication. We will revise our knowledge. Open your maths textbook, page number 29. Open your maths textbook, page number 29. Last year we have learned multiplication by lattice method. We will see that. See, first example, 8 dozen bananas we are bought to give to the children. Mahendra, 1 dozen banana means 12 bananas. We know dozen means 12 things. 1 dozen means 12 things. So 1 dozen banana means 12 bananas. Then how many bananas are there of 8 dozen? How many are 8 dozen? Can you tell? See, 8 dozen banana they brought. 8 dozen bananas. Then how many are in 8 dozen? Can you tell? Can you answer this question? What to do here? See, 8 dozen bananas we bought and 1 dozen banana means 12 bananas, right? Then 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, like this we have to add 8 times. Then we will get. Instead of that, by multiplication we can do. Find the answer. Got? See, 12 multiplied by 8, that means total number of bananas. We will solve this example by multiplication. By lattice method we will solve. See here. What is our example? 12 multiplied by 8. Do you know expanded form? How to write expanded form of 12? First write down expanded form. To solve by lattice method we have to write the expanded form of 12. How to write? See, 1. After 1, what is one digit is there, so put 0. Expanded form we have to write in addition, and here plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. And 8 is single digit, so no need to write its expanded form. By lattice method. We are solving this example by lattice method. What is lattice method? See, this we are going to use. First, make boxes. How to make? This cross shows expanded form. Okay, make the boxes. How many boxes we have to make? Instead of 12, 12 multiplied by 8, it is our example. Instead of 12, I am going to use its expanded form. Okay, so here 10. Got? And here 2. Now 12 we have finished. This cross sign came here. 12 here, cross sign here. Now what is remain? 8. It is second number. In example, it is second number. So we don't have to write in this way. After multiplication, we have to write 8 this side. Okay. Now close the box and write down 8 here. It is our example. 12, expanded form of 12 here, multiplied by 8. Got? Now find the answer of these boxes. How to find? See, I want answer of this. So go straight. Where I am going, see my fingers, movements of fingers. I wanted this answer. So go straight. 10 multiplied by 8. 10 8s are, or 8 10s are 80. 8 10s are 80. This answer I got. Now I wanted to find this answer of this box. So go straight. Don't consider this. Our example is this. So go straight. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Now we got these two numbers. What to do? Multiplication means repeated addition. So we have to add these two. That's why I have underlined this. We found the answer of these two boxes which we have to add. 80 plus 16. I did not add these numbers. It is example. So don't add all boxes. Only which we have found. Okay. Always start from units place. Here no need to make boxes. You have to write the number properly under the places. Okay. 0 plus 6, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. Okay. So what is? Therefore, there are 8 dozen banana means 96 bananas. 8 dozen bananas means 96 bananas. Did you understand this? This method is called as lattice method. We will see next example. Now next example is answer. Students, we will see the exercise from textbook page number 29. Question number 1. Multiply the following. First example, 53 multiplied by 8. First find the expanded form of 53. How to find? Write down 5. After 5, how many digits are there? Only 1, so give 1 0. 50 plus this 3. After 3, no digits, so don't give 0. Is it needed to write expanded form of it? No need, because it is single digit number. By lattice method. How to make the boxes? It is symbol of multiplication. See, 53 multiplied by 8. 53. Instead of 53, we are going to use its expanded form. 53. Got? Multiplied by 8. 8 we don't have to write in same row. We have to write it vertically. Multiplied by 8. Find the answer of these two boxes. Okay, I wanted, see, observe the movements of my finger. I wanted to find the answer of this box. So go straight. Got? We have to multiply these two numbers. No need to get confusion. To find this answer, you will multiply these two. No, it is wrong. We wanted to find the answer in this box. So go straight. How many zeros are there in both boxes? Only 1 0. That write down here. 5 8s are. 5 8s are 40. 40. Got? Now I wanted to find the answer of this box, so go straight. 3 8s are 24. Is there 0 in both boxes? No 0, so don't give here 0. Now which two boxes I will add? 1, 2. I have to add these two numbers to get the answer. 400 plus 24. 0. See, write down the numbers properly. If you don't want to make the columns for addition, no need to make. But you have to put the number in proper places. Okay. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 2, 2. 4 will be as it is down. Therefore, 53 multiplied by 8 is equal to 424. So students, we will see next example number 4, which is little different. These two examples I will explain, then you have to solve the exercise. By example number 4 I have taken, just observe both numbers. What is different? Here both numbers have 2 digits. Okay, so it is little difficult. 75, find the expanded form of 75. 7 on 7 1 digit, so therefore 1 0. Then plus 5. Now 11. How? This 1. On 1 1 digit is there, but therefore 10 plus 1 is the expanded form of 11. I have explained this expanded form we have learned in lesson number 2, number work. In that we have learned it. Okay. So if you don't know or you forgotten, if you have forgotten, then you just see these videos. Okay. Now multiplication sign, make boxes. First number is 75. Instead of 75, use its expanded form. 75. Got? Now close the box. Here multiplication sign. What is the next number? 11. 11. Here we have to write? No. This second number we are going to use its expanded form. Where to write? This side. In column vertically. 10 and 1. 10 plus 1 is the expanded form here. Now find the answer of these 4 boxes. Little confusing it is, but no need. Listen carefully. I wanted to find this answer, so go straight. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. How many zeros are there in both boxes? 2 zeros. So give here 2 zeros. Got? Very easy. 7 ones are 7. And how many zeros are there in both boxes? 2 zeros. Therefore, this one. Now, this answer I want, so go straight. 5 ones are 5. And how many zeros are there in both boxes? Only 1. Here no 0 and here 1 0. So give here 1 0. Now this answer I want to go straight. 7 ones are 7. And in both boxes how many zeros are there? Only 1. So this 0 write down here. This answer I want, so multiply these two numbers. 5 ones are 5. Is there 0 in both boxes? No 0, so don't give here 0. Okay. Now add 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. See, 700 plus 50 plus 70 plus 5. Okay. You can give 3 addition symbol or 1 addition symbol, meaning is same. So no worry about it. Do addition here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. 5. Okay. 0 plus 5 plus 7. 7 plus 5. 12. Give 1 carrying over. 7 plus 1. 8. Got? Did you get? Okay. See. Addition by when you are doing addition or when you are adding, that time you have to put the number in the proper places. Therefore, 75 multiplied by 11 is equal to 825. So students, in this way we have finished this exercise. Today's homework is from textbook page number 29. You have to solve exercise in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, and study well.